Health insurance is quite confusing and many people avoid getting it because of that. And this is the worst mistake you can make. In this video, I will go over 10 mistakes you should avoid while shopping for health insurance. Many people think that they can buy health insurance anytime they need to see a doctor and then cancel it. Well, this is not true. Things don't work this way in insurance. You can only buy health insurance during open enrollment unless you have a life event that gives you extra time to apply for health insurance. Another incorrect assumption is that young people don't need health insurance and that only those that are sick or older need to get health insurance. Again, this is not true. If a young person has an accident that ends up costing big bucks without insurance, it will be, hello, dead forever. Now, many people still believe that they will pay more for health insurance if they have a pre-existing condition. Again, this is not true. The Affordable Care Act got rid of that rule, so now insurance companies can't deny you or charge you more money for an individual plan if you have a pre-existing condition. Another question that I want to mention is that many people believe that paying cash for medical bills is a good idea. Well, yes, doctors do take cash for their services, and many people mistakenly believe that if you don't have health insurance, you can always rely on this option and get a cash deal and negotiate. Well, while you can afford to pay for a generic medication or for a one-time doctor visit, $200 or $300 without any insurance, the opposite is true in cases of more expensive medical bills. Again, good luck paying the big bucks for emergencies or hospitalization. In my opinion, these are the big ticket items that the insurance can cover very well and protect your assets in cases of outrageously expensive bills. Many believe that health insurance is not worth the cost until it is. Just think for a moment how expensive medical care is. Ask yourself, if you had a surgery today that costs $100,000, would you be able to pay this amount in cash in full? Now compare it with what you would pay if you had health insurance. Even the bronze plan, even the high deductible bronze plan has a stop loss, and you pay $6,000 or $7,000 maximum for that year out of your pocket for the most expensive surgery ever. I still hear some people say that Obamacare sucks. Well, let's get this straight. Obamacare is the law, also known as the Affordable Care Law. Even though it has some weird provisions, it's a great law that allows many people to get affordable health insurance at a lower cost. And as I mentioned earlier, this law eliminated the pre-existing condition. Is Medi-Cal, Medicaid, and Medicare the same thing? Well, no, these are not the same thing. Medi-Cal or Medicaid, as it is referred in other states other than California, is a government program for low-income individuals. Medicare is health insurance primarily for those who are 65 years or older or have a certain medical condition. I have a playlist of explainer videos about Medicare, so you can check it on my YouTube channel and get more information on that. Now, paying the penalty is not a better option than having health insurance. You can easily do the math. You can see one of my YouTube videos where I talk about my client paying over $7,000 in penalty. He refused health insurance that year, and he could have bought health insurance for like $200 a month because he was young. So if your income is high, the penalty will be higher than the cheapest medical plan. I am not even talking about other financial risks that people can be subject to without health insurance. So no, paying the penalty rather than having health insurance is not a good option. Now, another question and another mistake people make is thinking that working with an insurance agent is not needed, right? This might be a subjective opinion because I am an insurance agent, but I'm telling you, a good licensed and independent insurance agent is worth more than gold. If you can find one, though, we are not making the big bucks anymore, so many of us are slowly transitioning into other industries. But there are great professionals out there, well, including myself, who can help. Here's the thing. You buy insurance once a year and might not be familiar with all the new rules and fine print. If you call a specific insurance company, most likely you will be talking with unlicensed, poor customer service that have no idea what they're talking about. Or if you're shopping online, you might be getting yourself into one of those websites that sells your contact information to salespeople that call you day and night to sell you some sort of garbage that is not even insurance by law. By the way, good insurance agents are not pushy and never call you. So just keep that in mind. Now, getting insurance online is easy, but you should be careful. If you don't believe me, go ahead and type in your phone number and email in online quotes and see what happens. By the way, never do that unless you want 100 phone calls and junk emails coming your way from unlicensed people. Well, I hope I've convinced you that next time you shop for health insurance, you should research and get more details at insurancecenterhelpline.com and get your facts and health insurance straight. I have a quote explainer. I have quite a few explainer videos on this topic on my YouTube channel, so please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. This will help me spread the word out, and hopefully it will help other people avoid typical mistakes related to health insurance. Thank you.